What?
Don Philip, your accountant is here.
Oh, send my dear friend in. Sam Steinway, it's so good to see you. I love you just like a brother.
Godfather, business is off 70%.
Kill him.
But Godfather, I've always been loyal to you. Show compassion.
I will. After I kill you, I'll send your children through college.
Wait, it isn't my fault. Somebody else. One person's to blame for all this. Inspector Sledge Hammer. He's single-handedly putting a stop to crime in the city.
I want a contract on his Sledgehammer's life. $1 million. $1 million on anyone who can lord a hammer on Hammer.
$1 million? That was a little high.
A special this week only.
But every hitman in the city will be taking shots at him.
Hey, that'll create a sense of competition. That's healthy. That's American. I want this Sledgehammer for the rest of his life to be dead.
Oh, did I have a dream last night? It was about you.
There you go. Ooh, morning edition is a little thick today, isn't it, Fred?
That's because they've gone and made 62 new horoscope signs.
Now, how am I going to put this under my arm? I can't put this under my arm. Look at this. How many sections is this? Wisteria. I wonder if I got that. So take it easy, Frankie, huh? Have a good day, Sledge. Same to you. How's the coffee this morning, Vic?
Same as usual, Sledge.
Hey, watch your sea legs, mutant.
Hey, you know what time it is?
Yeah, it's I gotta start drinking decaf.
I don't believe it. How did you get here?
Yeah, like
That's a stupid question, Duro. How did I get here?
Will you just tell me?
Well, it's basic biology. My mother and father were in love, and then one night they got together.
I'm talking about how you got to the station. Don't you know there's a price on your head? Look at this.
I understand you're a marked man. Word on the street is that there's already been an attempt made on your life.
Ooh, color me frightened. Did they succeed?
Cut the wisecracks, Hammer. There's $1 million price tag on your head.
Look, Captain, this is somebody's idea of a joke. The Shriners are probably behind this.
Shut up, Hammer.
You got a very short fuse, you know that? No, I mean, you go off at the...
Hammer, shut up! Oh, oh. Hammer, do something. Here.
I don't want to do it.
Get out of the way. Hammer, hammer.
Get the fuck you.
If you just give it to me.
Don't throw it to me. Don't throw it to me. Throw it out the window.
Move. Get out of the way.
Hammer, if you just give it to me.
Throw it out the window. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. We're gonna die in here, Hammer. We're gonna die in here, Hammer, if you don't throw it out the window. Smash it out. Smash it out. Hurry up, break it. Come on, Hammer, harder. Break it. Come on, you weakling. Hammer, don't break the window. Hammer, don't break the window. Don't break the window. Don't break.
Give me that roll.
I wonder why they didn't go off.
Well, while you were busy breaking the window, I extinguished the combustible in a liquid compound. Simply put, I dunked it in the coffee.
Aha. Aha. So
Hammer,
the,
Hammer,
well,
Hammer. It has always been dangerous having you around. But now, this whole town has become a shooting gallery. I'm sending you out of town until this all blows over.
well, Captain, I'm touched. I had no idea you cared so much about my personal safety.
I don't. I care about my safety! Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Well, actually, if you wait just a minute, I was hoping on taking some rest and relaxation next month. 2 weeks in Beirut.
Out! 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 Out!
Lenny, this is ridiculous. I don't need a police escort.
Captain's orders. I'm taking you to a motel outside town. We hide state witnesses.
Well, I don't know what the hurry is. I barely had time to pack my bazooka. Well, you haven't said much for the last 4 hours. What's on your mind, Lenny?
A lot.
How's the wife and kids?
Funny you should bring that up, Hammer. It's been real tough. Make ends meet on my salary. You know how hard it is.
I'll tell you.
Department hasn't given us a pay hike in 2 years.
I hear you.
Dang mortgage. I'm probably gonna lose my house.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Lenny.
Not as sorry as I am, Hammer.
Oh, Lenny, what are you doing? Oh, no. Lenny, what are you doing?
Try and understand, Sledge. I got 12 kids. That's a lot of mouths to feed. I need all the money I can get just to put them through school. And I'm done with the 12 kids. I'm spending what's left on myself. There's a condo in Florida I want to buy. I need cable TV, a new car, and a vasectomy.
This may sting.
It's all right. I can take it.
Whoa! Ah!
That's painful. Why'd you believe me? Where am I? Who are you people? Hey, haven't I seen you on oatmeal boxes?
We are simple folk, at peace with the earth.
Our only needs are to work and to be happy.
Oh, You're yuppies, right?
No, we are not yuppies. We are many notes. I be Jacob, and this be my daughter, Isadora.
Well, I'm Inspector Sledge Hammer, and this be my gun.
We do not appreciate weapons in our house, stranger.
Are you kidding? What do you mean you don't appreciate weapons? What are you, commies or something?
Perhaps you should take leave. You be far from the city here.
As a matter of fact, Pops, if you don't mind, I'd like to stick around. You see, I gotta lay low for a while, and this looks to me like just about as low as I can lay.
Please, Father. May he stay?
No.
For a time.
Nein, it's not gut, no. It's the wilder, it's the starker.
But, Father, es un andermunder.
Oh, Schatzi.
Father.
So be it. But you must make yourself useful and do chores.
Chores? What chores?
Milk the cow.
What?
Milk the cow.
What do I know about milking a cow? I'm ready if you are. Easy, easy, easy. All right, little lady. I want that bucket filled with milk, and I mean pronto.
It's all right. He needed sleep.
I'm sorry. I couldn't help but notice the beauty of your form. Hi. Say, you wouldn't happen to have a phone around here, huh? A phone?
Dory Row here.
It's me, Hammer.
Sledge, where in the world are you? Captain Trunk thought the worst happened to you.
Why did he think the worst?
He said optimism.
All right, listen. I'm alive and well, and I'm living in a many-note community.
Many note?
And I'm going to hang around here for a while till things cool off back home.
Sledge, look, do you think it's wise calling me here? This phone might be tapped.
Trust me, I know what I'm doing. There's no way this line could be tapped.
The wiretap on DeRoe's line paid off, Godfather. Hammer's hiding in a many-note community outside town.
That stinking cop, still alive.
He's proved difficult to kill.
Go take a couple of my boys and ice Hammer once and for all.
Me? I'm an accountant. What do I know about killing?
You kill people every day. Bring me back Sledgehammer's body in a box. That's an order.
Tell me, Sledgehammer, what is the big city like?
It's difficult to describe, really.
But if you ever do get to town, why, let me know, because there is this great topless bar. I mean, these chicks, I mean, unbelievable. I mean, whoa.
Our worlds are so different. Why don't you stay here and live? For good.
Me? You must be kidding. Come on, no.
You will find peace here. Here there is no conflict, no tension, no pain. Oh, my goodness. Are you all right? I've never been with a man before. In that way.
Neither have I. Either I'm deaf or I'm out of bullets. Isadora, have you seen my overnight bag? I gotta find it.
Children! Children! What has happened?
Listen, get yourself and your daughter the hell out of here.
You watch your language.
Boy, you picked a good time to be running on empty. Let's knock this bozo out.
Oh, no! Oh, my God! Ow! What are you doing? Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Hold it! What are you doing? Oh! Oh! Ow!
Isadora, what is it? We see.
Sledgehammer said he packed some possessions. Father, I have found it.
No! Whoa! Wow! Shut my door! Hands up, Cutler!
No offense, sir, but you don't look like a hitman.
I'm not. I'm a certified public accountant.
I've heard of career changes, but this takes the cake.
Listen, pal, for $1 million, I'd become a male nurse. So long, Hammer.
I thought violence was against your way of life.
Hey, this is the 80s.
All right, geek. Who are you? And who's the tapeworm that put a price on my head?
Don Philip Sousa. He offered the money to anyone who brings you to him. In a box.
Here's a Dora. Keep these skunks in a holding pattern.
Where is it you go with?
I gotta make a special delivery. COD. DOA.
A-OK.
What? Don't confuse me.
Godfather, this just came for you.
Maybe it's those new cufflinks I just ordered. Come on, open it up. Sledgehammer is dead. Once and for all.
Oh, yeah? Welcome to my resurrection.
Get him!
Arrest those men. Wow. $1 million. Bet you're glad no one's collecting that money.
What are you talking about, Duro? Look, I delivered myself, didn't I? This money is mine. And I'm gonna put it to good use, too.
Hammer, you can't keep that money. We need it for evidence for the trial.
I'm not gonna press charges.
But why?
Because I've settled out of court. I came back to present you with this token of my gratitude.
It is not necessary. Son of a biscuit.
I have never seen so much money.
Well, what are you folks gonna do with it?
We will rebuild our farmhouse, buy livestock, replant our fields, and then buy something called a Porsche.
Will I ever see you again?
Only if you make the 10 most wanted list. Kinda unlikely, right?
Go with God, Sledgehammer.
Obey the penal codes.